In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted event in Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you've ever accidentally deleted an important meeting or family get-together. So grab your device and let's dive in. First, open your browser and click on the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a small grid of squares, and you'll find it in the upper right corner of most Google services like Gmail or Google Drive. Give it a click, and you'll see a whole array of Google services laid out for you, resembling a neat little app store. Now look through these apps and click on Calendar. This will redirect you to your Google Calendar, a fantastic tool for organizing your schedule and managing your time effectively. Once you're on the calendar page, imagine you've just deleted an event by mistake. Perhaps it was a family gathering that you can't afford to miss. No worries, we can retrieve it. Our first task is to sample delete an event. As you scan your calendar, find the family get-together event, or really any event that you've got scheduled, and click on it to open its details. Here you'll see an option to delete the event. Click on Delete, and just like that, it's gone, but only for now. With the event deleted, our next step is to navigate to Settings. Move your cursor to the upper right corner of the Google Calendar interface. You should see a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on Trash. Trash is a feature that acts like a digital recycling bin specifically for your calendar events. Now that you've entered the trash section, you'll notice a list of all your recently deleted events. It's like a safety net for the forgetful among us. Scroll through and find the deleted family get-together event or whichever event you removed earlier. You'll see a small checkbox next to each event listing. Check the box of the event you'd like to restore. This ensures you've selected the correct one. At this point, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see an option named Restore All Selected. Click on it, and the magic happens. Your selected event will be restored to its original place in the calendar, as if it never left. Just like that, we're done with the process. This little journey through Google Calendar highlights not only how user-friendly it can be, but also how forgiving it is if you make a mistake. Keep this trick in your back pocket for future reference, and you'll breathe easier knowing that your schedule is never permanently lost. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.